32 upon 5. Yes. Now how will solve this? No, we have to start. How long we can wait? 32 upon 5. So let us divide 32 by 5. So we write 5 and this is dividend is 32. 32. 32 we write point. First we write 1 0. We can write as many here. We can write as many as 0. We can write as many as 0, but where? To the right of the decimal. To the right of the decimal, we can add as many as 0. So let us add first 0 and see the. Let us add first 0 and do the division. This is 32. So 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Then 30 minus 32 is 2. Then 1 0 I will carry it forward. 1 0 I will take down. So this becomes 20. But there is point. So I will write point. Then 5 4s are 20. We do the division till the remainder becomes 0. So answer is 6.4. So answer is 6.4. And we go on dividing this till the remainder becomes 0. This is my remainder. And see, to the right of the decimal, I can put as many as 0. We go on putting as many as 0 till we get the remainder as 0. Now let us do C part, 50 upon 16. C as 50 upon 16. Yes. C as 50 up. Wait, mute the microphone. 50 upon 60. Yes, mute the microphone. 50 upon 16. Yes. Let us do 50 upon 16. 50 upon 16. Yes, C only. 50 upon 16. This is over, I think. Yes, everybody has written. Now let us do 50. Let us do 50 upon 16. Today we have to complete this 5.3. You see in the video. Now let us do 50 upon 16. C part. 50 upon 16. Wait. 50 upon 16. Yes. 50 upon 16. So we have to divide 50 by 16. So what we do, this is my 50. And we have to divide this 50 by 16. So I will write point and then I will write, let me put 1 0 in the beginning. We can put as many as 0. So this you will make it, yes. We can put as, no. We directly divide, no problem. No problem, we directly divide 50 upon 16. We write point, then we write, see this side, yes. So 16 and it is, wait, mute the microphone. Now we have to see the table of 16 and 50. So 16 3s are 48. 16 threes is 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. Then I will carry it 1 0. This becomes 20, and there it is dot. So I will write point. Then 16 ones are 16. 16 ones are 16. Then 20 minus 16 is 4. 16 minus 20 minus 16 is 4. Now what I will do? I will add one more 0. Wait. I will add one more 0. Huh. 16 threes are 48, no? 16 threes are 48. You must know. Yes, now it is 4. My remainder is not 0. So what I will do again? Wait. Again I will add one more 0. Again I will add one more 0, and this 0 I will carry here. Yes. So this become 40. Wait. 16 twos are 32. 16 twos is 32. Wait. 16 twos are 32. 40 minus 32 is 8. Still remainder is not 0. So I will add one more 0 there. And this 0 I will carry forward here. So this this becomes 80. 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are 80, and this remainder becomes 0. Remainder becomes 0. So 50 divided by 16. 50 divided by 16 is 3.125. 50 divided by 16 is 3.125. Yes. 3.125. 3.125. It is clear, right? Just now we have checked. Now, wait. Now 140. 143 divided by 20. Wait, how it is half? It is very much clear. Now let us write. Now let us give D, E. Let me solve D. Then E and F homework. Let me solve D. D. 143 divided by 25. 143 divided by 25. So 143 divided by 25. So let us divide. So this is my 143. 143. We write what? We write 1 0. We write 1 0. Then 25. Wait. 25 6 are 150. There, to the right of the decimal, we write 1 0 letters. So 25 5s are 125. 25 5s are 125. 143 minus 125. 13 minus 5 is 8. Then 3 minus 2 is 1, 18. So 18, this 1 0 I will carry it. 1 0 I will carry it. 1 0 I will carry it forward. It is clear. Wait. 1 0 I will carry it. It becomes 180. Yes. So 25 8s are 200. 25 7s are 175. 25 7s are 7 5s are 35. 175. Where? Now I will add 1 to 0. No. Yes. There it is 1 dot. Now I will add one more 0. 180 minus 175 is 5. Then 1 0 I will add, and that 0 I will carry it further. This becomes 50. 25 2s are 50. Where? Where? We go on adding. We go on adding 0 to the right of the decimal till we get remainder 0. Yes, because see, wait, 10 minus 5 is 5, then 7 minus 7 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0, 0, 5, we simply write 5 only, no? 0, 0, 5, we write 5. So 143 upon divide by 25 is 5.72. Yes, right. D1, yes. 143 divided by 25. 143 we write 0.0. Then 25 has a 125. 143 minus 125 is 18. 10 I will carry it 180. Then 25. 7 is a 175. 5 is left. 10 I will carry it 50. 25 2 is a 50. So go on adding 0. Yes, you have to write. Go on adding 0 to the right of the decimal till we get the remainder as 0. We go on adding 0. Yes, downward. We have to go on adding 0 to the. We have to go on adding 0 to the right of the decimal till we get the remainder as 0. Till we get the remainder 0, we have to go on adding the 0. Yes, you have to write. Now E and F is 3 by 5. No, 3 by 5 and F is 63 by 4. Both are homework. 63 by 4. E and F are homework. F1 you can do it, no? What is that? Yes, 4 problem I have done, no? No, 4 problem I have done. At least 2 problem you solve. Now let us do 5th one. Now let us do 5th one. Write the following decimal as decimal fraction. Write the following decimal. My dear, what is there? You will write 3. Okay, chalo. Okay. No problem, no. So let us solve this. Let us solve 3 upon 5. So we have to divide 3. We have to divide 3 by 5. Wait, no. I am solving that, no. We have to divide 3 by 5. Right. Point. We write point and then we add 1 0. Chalo. Let us see. See here. First it is 5 and then it is 3. So this 3 is smaller. Wait. Yes. No. You have to wait. No. It is not like that. After decimal, you have to keep on putting the 0 till you get the remainder 0. After decimal, you have to go on putting 0 till you get the remainder 0. Are you getting? So now it is 3. My dear, answer is already there in the decimal, no? Answer is already there in the decimal. See here. 25 has a 125. 143 minus 125 is 18. Now 18 is smaller. So 1 0 I am carried forward, but before that 0 there is decimal. So I will put the decimal. Before that 0, I will put the decimal. Before that 0 we have the decimal, so I will put the decimal. Now let us solve this. It is 3. Now 3 is smaller than 5. So I will write 5 0. No. 5 0. 5 into 0. 5 into 0 is 0. Wait no. No problem. You stop there. No problem. You stop there. Wait no. This is 3. Now this 3 is smaller. 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5. So I will take 5 into 0 0. We have 5 into 0 is 0 because 3 is smaller than 5. So 3 minus 0 is 3. Then 1 0 I will carry it. 1 0 I will carry it. This becomes 30. Then 1 0 point is there, so I will write point. Then it is 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So 3 divided by 5. Answer is 0.6. Is it clear? Yes. 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 0 I will carry it. So this becomes 30. But then it is point. I will write point. So it is 0.6. Now let us do fifth. Write the following decimal as decimal fraction. Now F answer that. See F. F answer you solve. F answer 3 point is the wrong answer. Let me chalo. Chalo, let me solve F also. Let me solve F also because some of you are making mistake. Wait no. Some of you are not. Some of you are making mistake in solving the problem. So let me explain F also. F 63 divide. Cut. 63 divided by 4. So this is 4 and this is 63. This is 63. We write 63.010. We'll see how many 0. Now let us go. Wait no. Let us go step by step. No. First it is 6. It is 4. So 4 and 6. You have to take the multiplication which will give you less number. So 4 1 ja 4. We write 1. 4 1 ja 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then it is 23. Yes. Then 3 is carried. It is 23. But there is now it is 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. You have to take the lesser number. Now it is 3. Now it is point. So I will write point. Then 1 0 I will carry it forward. 1 0 I will carry it forward. It becomes 30. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Then one more 0 I will add. And this 0 I will carry it forward. Then 4 5s are 20. Yes. Wait. Do not present anybody. Do not present anybody. Yes. So 15.75 is the answer. The answer is 15.75. 4 5s are 20. So answer is 15. 15 point. Yes. So answer is 15.75. Answer is 15.75. Answer is 15.75. Answer is 15.75. So we have, yes, please do not present anything. Otherwise, next period I will not admit you. Whoever will present, definitely I will not admit them. I am not going to admit them next period. This you take care. Whoever will violate the discipline, they will not be allowed to admit in the group. This you take care. Please do not present anything. Yes, F you write. Now, fifth one. Yes, mute the microphone, everybody. Mute the microphone. Now F. Yes, do not present it. Do not present anything. 5. Write the following decimal as decimal fraction. Write the following decimals. Write the following decimals as decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. Write the following decimals as decimal fractions. Write the following decimals as decimals fraction. Write the right. Now let us do first one. A 0.09. 0.09. Yes, 0.09. 0.09. It is very much clear, right? 0.09 after the decimal. The decimal is after 2 digit from right. From right after 2 digit there is a decimal. So the decimal is after 2 digit from right. So this I can write 9 upon the after decimal there are 2 digits. So I will divide by 100. So 9 upon 100 is the answer. 9 upon 100 is the answer. B 3.27. Yes, nobody will. So 3.27 from right. Yes. From right after 2 digit there is a decimal. So I can remove the decimal. This becomes 327. Then after decimal there are how many digits? 1, 2. So I want 20 in the denominator. 20 means it is 100. 20 means it is 100. Then C 24.154. 24.154. 24. We have removed the decimal, and after decimal there are 2 digits. So I want 20 in the denominator. 20 in the denominator means we have to divide by 100. Yes. So yes. Now we remove the decimal. 24154, and after decimal there are 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So denominator we want 3 zeros. So that means we have to divide by 1000. Yes. Next 6.40. 6.40. 6.40 after decimal. Yes. After decimal, the decimal is after 2 digits. So this we can add 640 upon 400, no 100. 640 upon 100. Next 0.40. 0.40. I can write 40. Yes, whoever are writing their name 5 times, that list I will forward today to the class teacher. From chat box I will get screenshot and forward it to the class teacher for necessary action. So this is 40 upon, No, you have to stop there. We have to convert them into decimal fraction. Fraction means we have numerator and denominator. Only we have to remove that decimal and divide that number by 1000, 10 or 1000, whichever number. Now sixth one, reduce the following to the lowest term. Sixth one, reduce the following to the lowest term. Reduce to the following to the lowest term. Sixth one, reduce the following to lowest term. Reduce the following to lowest term. To reduce the following to the lowest term, to the lowest terms. Yes, today chat box, whoever are writing, that screenshot I will take and forward it to the class teacher today. For yes. For necessary action I will forward it to the class teacher. First 0.6, because they are not paying attention. Their attention is not there to the study. First 0.6. 0.6. First you will convert this into decimal fraction. First you will convert this to decimal fraction. Are you getting? First you will convert them into decimal fraction. So 0.6, I will write 6 upon 10. Then I have to cancel the common term. 6 upon 10, 6 I can write 3 2s are 6 and 10 I can write 5 2s are 10. Then we have to cancel the common term from numerator and denominator. This is 2, get cancelled. What is left? Yes, 3 upon, so answer is 3 upon 5. The lowest term is 3 upon 5. Next B, 2.5. No, you have to stop there. When you convert 3 upon 5 into decimal, again you will get 0.6 only. When you convert 3 upon 5 into decimal, again you will get 0.6 only. So no need of doing that, you just stop 3 upon 5. Now next is 2.5. 2.5 I can write 25 upon 10. 25 I can write 5 5s are 25. 2 5s are 10. Then we cancel from numerator and denominator the same number. So this is 5 cancel, 5 cancel. So answer is 5 by 2. Answer is 5 by 2. Then C part. No, not make. You have to B1, 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10, 5 5 get cancelled. What is left? 5 upon 2. That is the lowest term. My dear, after point, there are how many digits? 1 digit. So when you remove the decimal, there will be 1 0 in the denominator. So that will be 25 upon 10. Next, 13.85. 13.85. 1385. 100. 1385 upon 100. Yes. Wait. No. Let us. Wait. No. 5. Let us take the common number 5. So this I can write 5 into 5. You can divide this by 5. So 5 2s are 10. Then 38, 275, 35, 277 upon, this will be 5 into 20, 5 into 20. Then 5 get cancelled, 5 get cancelled. What is that? 277 upon 20. That is 277 upon 20. Yes. 12. No. You just, there is no other number. There is no other common number in numerator and denominator. Mute the microphone to convert them into. No. You cannot cancel common term. Now there is no common term now left. Wait. 12.55. 12.55 D. 12.55. You will write 1255 upon 100. Yes. 1255 upon 100. Then this you can write 5 into 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, and 5 into 20. Yes. So 5 get cancelled. So this is 251 upon 20. 251 upon 20. This is the lowest term. This is the lowest term. This is the lowest term. Now 4.25. Do it. 4.25. Do it. Yes, clear, right. Yes, you go on checking the answer behind what is there. Then 4.25. 4.25. I will write 425 upon 100. 425 upon 100. Then this I can write 5 into 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25. Yeah. Then 5 into 20. Yes. 5 get cancelled. 85 upon 20. 85 upon 20. Still you can simplify. 85 you can write 5 into 17 upon 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Again 5 get cancelled. So this is 17 upon 4. 17 upon 4, there is nothing common, so this is the lowest terms. So 4.25 is 17 upon 4, which is the lowest term. 17 upon 4 is the lowest term. 17 upon 4 is the lowest term. Yes. Now we stop here. Bye. Yes, take care. Now we stop here. Bye everybody. Yes.